to read 3 books in 3 days and prepare for your course career journey like a champ. Step number 1, buy the physical copy of the book. Now, if you don't want to buy the book, if you're strapped for money or you just don't want to pay for the book, in the comment section, I have a link to a free PDF for all 3 of the books that you're going to need during your course career journey. So go ahead and download that right now, and then we'll go ahead and get into step number 2. Step number 2, download the free audio version of the books. Girl, why do I need the audiobook if I just downloaded or I just bought the physical copy? I'll get to that in step number 3. But before you go on to step number 3, you're going to have both the physical and the audio version of the books to complete this task. Step number 3, you're going to get to reading. You're going to read the book along with the audiobook. So while the book is playing in your ear, you're going to have your physical copy. You're going to highlight and take note of all important and valuable information. The reason that this allows you to get through the book quicker is because you have someone reading the book to you, but you're also following along so that you can take notes. Now, taking notes is going to be key because when you get into your course career journey, you are going to have to take quizzes on all 3 of these books. So instead of having to pause your journey to go back and read an entire book, I suggest, like in my last video, that you read these books before you even start your journey. So that way, if you're on a time crunch like I was, you can go ahead and get through the quiz and get through the course with no problem. If you have the time, listen to the entire book. If you do not have the time to listen to a 7-hour book, break it up into multiple days. So whereas I read 1 book for 3 days, you can read 1 book in 2 days. So I would highly suggest you take time, whether you're using your lunchtime, an hour before you start work, a few hours after work, you can get it done. You just have to plan for it. This is your career. This is something that you're trying to do that's going to not only better yourself and your lifestyle, but also the lifestyle of your family. But if you do have the time to spend 7 hours to just allow the book to play in your ear, take notes when you hear something important, and then move on the next day to the next book. After doing that, go ahead and start your course career. And that way, when your quizzes come up, you'll have something to refer back to versus having to go to find timestamps in an audiobook. Like, who has time for that? Nobody. That takes a lot of time, and also that's going to pause your course career journey even longer. If you are interested and you're ready to break into tech, use the link in the comment section to go ahead and sign up. Also, I have a 50% off discount code for anybody that's ready to sign up. And don't forget, I also have links to the free PDFs as well as the free audiobooks in the comment section as well. I hope this information was helpful.